Hello everybody, I would like to tell you about some conversation between the woman and the man. The woman tells the man he had to make a call to get the ticket for the concert Sunday evening. The man were happy about that and she were so looking forward to show because it was his favorite band. The number two, the man tells the woman he was out of his office because it was ugly. The woman suggested the man that he would buy some new furniture or at least should to get doctor. The man replied that she she said new thing were so expensive and she said she would pay some furniture he had then. Number three, the woman tells the man she would like to order a small plane pizza. The woman the man replied the man asked the woman if she would like to deliver or she would pick it up. The woman replied to the man she would like him to deliver the pizza to her office. Number four, the woman tells the man he was freezing cold. The woman replied that she probably didn't anyone ice cream. The man agreed with him and she said she would need something to warm him up like a cup of tea. Number five, the woman suggested the man take a cab because it was raining. The man replied that it was the little and he had an umbrella. She suggested walking. The woman didn't agree with him and she said it was too store raining too hot and she said she asked him to take a cab.